and PTPI is still going up. You could maybe get $5.90 today, and maybe even 640 or 680. Oh my God, PTPI just short squeezed to 725. What's going on, guys? Coach Coda here. Today we're trading our April 19th watch list, PTPI, TORO, and NOGN. If you're not already in the Discord, make sure to join. The link is in the description. Here's my screen. Okay, so we're watching PTPI. We're looking for a break and hold of $5. Right now we have nothing but rejection, so we're waiting on confirmation before we even touch that one. Toro looks strong so far at 390. We're probably going to get another rally to 397 at least. Okay, so we're watching for that rally back to 397. Ideally, you got an entry in the pre-market. Okay, PTPI right now is right touching $5, but there's a rejection. So we're waiting for a little more confirmation before we get in, but potentially we're going to get that rally back to 527. So have your buys and stuff set up on PTPI because we could potentially get another rally here. I just don't like it so far because I'm getting a rejection at the volume weighted average price. Toro still looks good. Again, we're probably going to get that rally back to 397 very soon. Okay, so make sure to watch TORO. All right. And we'll also go over today, as we go over the trades, we're going to go over why you're losing money in the stock market right now, and then also what we can do to fix that. So we have Toro continuing to rally. It's at $3.95, right? So about 2 cents from our profit target. Boom, just hit. Profit target just hit 397. We got a rally to $4 on TORO. Okay, next profit target is 408 if that one hits, but we're already up on our position. Okay, PTPI, again, we're still getting a rejection at $5. Not looking to get in yet, but the price is holding that $4.90 level. So we're watching it. We're waiting. We're watching and we're waiting on PTPI. Okay, WINT, don't really worry about that one too much. It's just kind of like a stock which I'm looking at just because it's moving. But we're already up on TORO, and boom, we just got another push on TORO to $4.05. Boom, 408 right there. TORO pushing up to $4.08, right? The top on our watch list, and it's right here. Take profits at this level. Make sure you're selling at 408 or 407. Don't kill your trade over 1 cent or 2 cents. This is going to be the easiest money you ever make as part of the pro group, but make sure that you are there for it and make sure that you actually take profits. They say, boom, it just hit. Make sure you actually take profits where I'm asking you to take profits. Not financial advice, right? It's for educational purposes only. But if you follow instructions, every single trader who follows instructions makes money. Every single trader, because you're following one of the best traders in the world. I'm right here, right in front of you, predicting the stock market in real time, candlestick by candlestick. So when you have that level of trading expertise, how can you not succeed? Toro, again, went all the way up here to $4.20. And if this thing, I would take profits here around 426. But if we get a stronger rally, this one can go all the way up to 437 and potentially even push up to 464. Just make sure you're taking profits along the way, because this thing is already way up from our buy-in at 380 all the way to $4.24 profit target. We predicted another short squeeze, and you're right here for it. You get the full pro experience today. So TORO just hit $4.24. The profit target was hit just now. You guys make sure to get in at a good entry and do not get in late. You will lose money and not make money if you get in late. You have to get in when we were getting in at 380 or even 390 at market open, right? That's when we were buying. You don't want to get in late, because that's how you lose money, is by getting in stocks late. That's why most trading channels are garbage, because they will tell you about a stock after it already goes up and you'll lose money as a result. So everyone can see my screen, right? Because we're up 20% on Toro. 437 is the next profit target. We're almost there already. Make sure to take profits. Okay, make sure to sell some of your position here. It's already at 434, and it's not that far from our 437 profit target. So make sure to take that profit. I want you guys to be consistent in your wins. Boom, just hit next profit target on TORO. And in case you missed it, TORO was called out here at 382 in the pre-market, right? It's all here on the Discord. The proof and timestamp are right here, right? Today at 5:32 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, before the market even opened. So there's really no reason why you aren't making a killing right now, as we predicted the next short squeeze right in front of your eyes. We predicted the short squeeze on TORO before it happened. That's what's so crazy, is that we predicted the short squeeze before it happened. We're not like all the other trading channels who are talking about stocks that have short squeezed and they already short squeezed. And we're not calling out 20 different stocks and saying, oh, one of these might short squeeze. We're saying TORO is the one stock that we are buying, and this stock short squeezed all the way to 450 from our buy-in at 380. And so since we already got that short squeeze, we are going to look at some more stocks. And as promised, I'm going to trade the stocks and help you trade the stocks that you're already trading and which you want to trade. But let's go into real quick why most traders are losing money right now. So this is why most traders are losing money. 80% of short-term traders lose money. Almost all short-term traders lose money. Most investors right now are losing money only because the stock market is going down. But usually long-term investing makes money, just a very small amount of money. It's like an 8% to 10% return yearly. So imagine having to wait 1 year to get a 10% return. Remember, today we got a 20% return. Most long-term investors make less than 10% per year on their investments. They have to wait 1 year to make what we made in 1 day. But most short-term traders lose money, right? And that's because if you look at your trading account, also, how are you doing right now? Are you in the 80%? Are you in the 20%? And the 20% is usually not making a lot either, unless, of course, they're in the group. Unless, like you, they actually have the guidance from a professional. So that's because most stock trading groups don't work. They call out too many stocks. How many times have you called out like 20 stocks or 10 stocks? And you're like, well, which one of these do I buy? And where do I buy them? That's the problem with most groups. They don't focus on the high quality trades. And so how are you going to make money if most stock traders fail and most trading groups give you too much information to keep up with? My student just informed me that PTPI is giving us confirmation. Let's take a look at that guy. Okay, PTPI off of our buy-in zone at $4.09 just hit our first profit target at 527. So from 490 to 527, it's confirming right now. We need this stock to stay above $5, which it looks like it's doing so far. So 527 again is our sell target for PTPI. So we're making money on this trade right now. PTPI, stock ticker PTPI. If we get a break of 527, we're looking for a rally all the way to $4.45. That's why I need you to have your next profit target. We're getting a fair amount of resistance at 530, but once we can cross 530, then 545 is highly likely. So set your profit target at 545. Make sure you use a limit order so you don't miss the sell. Okay, don't miss the sell on PTPI. So we're getting that rally on PTPI. We got the rally on TORO this morning, and there's another stock called LEV, which is also rallying towards my profit target at 229. But again, don't just focus on the winning trades for now. I'd focus on buying one position and then selling it and making some money today, because rest assured, as long as you're part of our group, you're going to make that money back and more. PRST as well just confirmed above $2.40. So if this thing breaks out, it's already at 248. If this thing breaks out, it can go all the way to 269 or 291. Okay. Gambling stocks, right? Not like the stocks that we trade. When we trade, we know where we get in, we know where we get out. We trade high quality stocks. If you've been watching my channel, okay, we just got a profit target hit on PTPI. So PTPI just hit our next profit target at $5.44. You guys have that limit order set so you can make money today. Okay, PTPI, have that limit order set so you can make money today. This is all about making money instead of losing it. So not only am I going to show you how to stop losing money, I'm going to show you how to start building your trading account back up and get all the losses that you've incurred listening to bad traders like you know who, and set you on the path for success in the stock market, because we are the best, and nothing makes that more tangible than the fact that we just made 40% this morning on our top stocks. All right, so why do you lose money in the stock market? Bad traders, bad indicators, bad stocks. Hub C's, Bed Bath & Beyonds. There are traders online who will tell you to buy those all day, when in reality, how have those affected your bank account so far? You know it. I know it. They're terrible stocks. They have lost you so much money. If you've invested in these stocks, if you've invested in NVOS, if you've invested in BRDS, if you invested in AMC, how much money have you lost trading those stocks? And people think it's expensive to, hire a trader like me to help them, when in reality, they've lost 10 times, 20 times that much, and they didn't learn anything. And that's the problem. When I'm trading, I'm also teaching you. I'm teaching you how to use the volume weighted average price. I'm teaching you where to take profits. You're learning and becoming a better trader who can make money long term. But when you're listening to unfortunately, these traders who are out to get you, they are not going to give you that level of education. And unfortunately, they're also going to tell you to buy really bad stocks that will cause you to lose money. How do you make that money back? You've seen the profit section in this group. You've seen the profit section on my YouTube videos. The Rocket Trader Pro subscription is how you can start making that money back. Now, that's, again, what you're basically getting right now. I'm letting you try it before you buy it. Right now, when you made money on TORO this very morning and you saw me predicting the squeeze, when you're making money on PTPI right now and we got a rally to 544, and I gave you the watch list with just 3 stocks on it. How many stocks did I really give you to watch today? I only gave you 3. I did not call out 100 stocks. I gave you 3 stocks to watch: PTPI, Toro, and NOGN. PTPI and Toro were both killers from market open. We are, by the way, I put these in order of importance. PTPI was my number 1 play. Toro was my secondary play, and NOGN, we may or may not invest in that one. But PTPI is squeezing right now. Make sure that you sell at 565 and take those profits, because I call out stocks for you to help you make money. PTPI and Toro are both winners, and we went over where to buy them and where to sell them. My student informed me when PTPI gave confirmation. Thank you for that, by the way, because I don't want the presentation and showing you how you can make money long term to get in the way of you making money right now. So thank you for letting me know that in the chat. PRST is also, like Patrick said, that one just went up as well. This one went up from 240 and it hit our profit target at 248, and it may go all the way up to $2.69, which is our next profit target. So yes, we are 3 for 3 on the stocks that we're trading today, and PTPI is still going up. We could maybe get $5.90 today, and maybe even 640 or 680. Don't expect that. Again, make sure that you're selling and taking profits on the way up. I need you to take profits on the way up. This is not a buy and hold trading group. We are a money-making trading group, meaning that we want to take profits while stocks are going in our direction and make money long-term, find the next runners. And you can leave all of that, by the way. How are you going to do that? How are you going to find the runners? How are you going to know where to buy and sell? In the pro group, we go over that every day. That's how you're going to rebuild your trading account. And as you can see, PTPI is pulling back now after it hit our profit target at 565. That's why I need you to have your limit order set at our profit targets. And same with TORO. You need to have your limit order set at our profit targets so you can make that money on the way up. And that's how you're going to regain your losses. Okay, that's how you're going to start making money in the stock market. That is how our friend, please don't draw on the screen, okay? That is how we had our friend, Captain, who's in the Discord, make $4,000 On Monday, he made almost $4,000. Actually, you can see his trading account here. It's definitely more than 4,000. He made like six to $7,000 on these accounts here, and that's because he's been trading my callouts, right? So get ready for those winning callouts because they're about to hit. These callouts are about to hit. And you can look at our track record. We called out NOGN before it short squeezed 20%, PTPI 40%, $4,000. CXAI went up 700% after we called it out on the trading channel, called out live in the YouTube video. It's all public. CDLX, you've heard me call it that stock like 5 times on YouTube. You've heard me call it out multiple times on the Discord. That stock went up 25%. We were getting in around $5, $5.50. Even if you bought it at $6, the thing rallied all the way to $7. We'll even take a look at that today, right? And it's a stable stock. We never had a risk of losing it all. Not really. Not like Bed Bath & Beyond. Yet we're still able to make 25% profits buying this high quality company. PRST, right, up 100% after we called that out live yesterday. We gave you the watch list yesterday. We called out only 2 stocks, PRST and CNSP, and yet we made so much money. We win a lot in this group. If you're not part of the Pro Discord, you're missing out on opportunities to make money every single day. If you are losing money in the stock market right now, the only way I can really see you getting that back with any kind of confidence is if you join our group and let me mentor you to be a profitable trader. If you are serious about trading and you really want to get good at trading, then you need to join our group. At the very least, join for 1 month and see how it works for you. You don't even need to trust me on this because we did everything before your very eyes. We showed you how Toro can go up after we called it out. We showed you where to sell PRST, right? And this is still rallying to 293. We went over PTPI and the sell targets for this stock from 489 to $5.65. And you have all of the proof in the free callout sections how we called out PTPI and TRKA before they rallied. Newsflash. This is how pro traders get their callouts every single day. You can see here, they know where to buy and where to sell by going to the pro callout section. When you become a pro member, you're going to access this section and it's going to let you make money in the stock market consistently if you buy and sell based on our criteria. Now, you don't have to trust me. It's all right here. All of the timestamps are here. You were able to actually make money today if you actually followed the call outs. And if you are ready to do that long term, then you need to join the pro membership today. I'm going to leave the link in the free chat, and we're still going to go over your stocks today. So now you guys can start. This is also another fun part. You can start dropping your favorite stocks in the chat box. We are the only trading group that can help you make money consistently. Not financial advice, but it's true, right?